this is a 2016 Bordeaux that we're talking about today. Bargain. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casera. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And we're talking Bordeaux today. I've got this Chateau Mayne-Vieil Fronsac 2016 wine that I bought a bunch, or I bought a 6-pack from lastbottlewines.com. Again, link in the description below. If you sign up, you get some credits, I get some credits. You know, it works for all of us. But I think this is one of the scenarios where that particular site does really well, and it kind of goes hand in hand with the video I just did, although it's a different vintage. Talking about Bordeaux and how you can stock your cellar with, wines that aren't going to put you into bankruptcy, but provide you with years of drinking opportunities. So this particular one is a 2016, a great vintage in Bordeaux. Somehow they were able to secure a lot of these wines from this vintage now, and I figured it'd be good to at least open one. I have 5 more in the cellar downstairs, and keep seeing how they develop as you go through time, maybe each year going forward, because this will have a lot of life. This is 100% Merlot. It's from the Fronsac appellation, which is on the right bank of Bordeaux. It's right near Pomerol, right, which is an amazing appellation, a lot more pricey. But Fronsac tends to provide you with a lot of really great value Merlot dominant blends, and this one's no different. So I tasted this yesterday, got a lot of, about half the bottle left. This is loaded with nice, it's soft blackberries and plums. Good start. I get a little bit of a smoke, like a smoky note, not overly smoky, but there's something in the background. This wine almost has a meaty quality too. So, a lot of Bordeaux's from the right bank, if they're Merlot dominant, they can kind of get that meaty note to it. This is a really, really good start for this wine. And it just is, it doesn't smell like it's going to be aggressive. Plenty of tannins there. Still a decent amount of acidity. There's a creamy texture, a creamy note to this though. The fruit is very present, like really delicious. Long finish. The plums, it's much more of a plum now. It's much more like eating a nice juicy dark plum. I think, when I first smelled this wine, I was like, okay, Napa, if you enjoy a Napa blend, a Napa, even a Cabernet, even though those are much firmer, it had a very similar nose. And I'm looking forward to, to trying more of the wines from these guys, but also, as we get up into the 2018, 19, 20 vintages, right? If I see Chateau Mayne-Vieil, if I'm pronouncing that right, I'm sure several of you will let me know in the comments if I'm not. But if I see more wines from these guys, it's somebody, it's a producer that I'm gonna pick up and be comfortable with. Just did a video on Bordeaux wines from 2018, 19, 20 that I am looking to buy and cellar. Well, I'll put it here. I don't know. I'm not sure where it is. There's going to be a link. You can look. You can hit it and get into that if you haven't watched that already. I'll see you next time. Cheers.